Days after a visit from the White House Coronavirus Task Force to the University of Tennessee, we are checking in with how campuses in our area are working to contain the spread of COVID. News 4's Rebecca Cardenas reports tonight from Murfreesboro.
MTSU students are back on campus, but look closely and this is no regular school year.
I'm still having fun. It's things I'm missing out on. I wish it was like football games and all that stuff. But
It's Davion Pryor's freshman year. New school, new state, and a lot of new rules.
I'm grateful. Like I didn't have a senior year, so I'm glad I at least get to come here, come to a couple classes.
Students we talk to appreciate the school's effort to keep them healthy.
They actually care. I can tell that they care.
For example, 107 dorm rooms have been set aside for students who live on campus to quarantine in if they test positive for COVID-19, as recommended by the CDC.
And oftentimes sending a student back home to a home environment, they may have a medically fragile family member living with them, and they don't want to spread it to their family. So remaining at college and isolating at college until they've recovered is a better plan.
As of this week, 54 MTSU students have tested positive, including 5 student athletes. 18 of the 107 quarantine spaces are being occupied.
So if they're positive, they may remain in isolation for a total of 10 days. And then as long as they're symptom-free, fever-free for 24 hours, then they can get out of isolation.
Director of MTSU Health Services, Richard Chapman, says free testing is available on campus and at the Rutherford County Health Department. Meantime, students tell us staff members are monitoring hallways and common spaces to ensure they're respecting social distancing guidelines.
I think that it's very considerate and that it gives students a chance who this is their first time experiencing college. It gives them a chance to still experience it and not have that taken away from them, because I feel like coronavirus has ruined a lot of firsts for many people.
For News 4 Nashville, I'm Rebecca Cardenas.
The University of Tennessee announcing more changes today. They have pushed back the spring semester. Classes will start a week later now on January 20th, and spring break has been canceled. UT said the changes were meant to limit student travel. The university made similar changes for the fall as well.